Well, when we finish the first attack phase, we need to remove all the markers, situation markers, no matter what they are stating. We remove all of them. We don't need this. We don't need those right now. And we are ready for doing the right phase. The right phase, we need to flip the counter because if you see here, there is only one red dot indicating that this phase is only taken by the Japanese. So the right phase, the only thing you need to do is to roll one die for each US unit adjacent to a Japanese unit or up to 2 hexes away. So, for example, this unit is subject to be performing a Japanese write on it. This one also, because it's adjacent. We have here 2 adjacent. And here we have one that it's it's more than 2 hexes away, so nothing's going to happen. I'm going to move this one a little bit so we can see some differences when we do some samples. Each US unit is going to be taking one, right? No more than one. That's why, for example, in this situation, if you see, we have this one that it's adjacent, and this one is 2 hexes away, so both are valid, but the one adjacent is the one we need to take into consideration. You need to roll with a roll of 1. It's the Japanese unit who is taking 1 hit. It doesn't matter if they are revealed or hidden. 2, 3, no effect. 4 to 5, it's 1 hit. The US unit will be taking 1 hit, or a 6 that it's taking 2 hits. So have some modifiers, because if you have 2 or more units adjacent to the US target, for example, this unit over here, we have 2 adjacent units. So this roll is going to have a +1. You can have another +1 additional if the units has organized or disorganized retreat markers. We have a +1. So in this case, so this one will have a +1 because 2 or more Japanese units are adjacent to it, and because it has an organized marker. And then if the Japanese unit is performing the action 2 hexes away, for example, this unit over here, from this one is 1, 2, and from this one is 1, 2, if that's the closest one, so it's going to have a -1 because of that. So you need to take into consideration, and let's do this, for example, this one over here. So it's adjacent, so it's a regular roll. It's roll a 4, we saw a 4, no modifiers. So it's the US unit's taking 1 hit.